Hello, everyone. Good morning, and I hope that you are ready for today. We are going to be using PowerPoint. A number of people are used to using PowerPoint because PowerPoint is a relatively easy application to use. So we're going to be using it, and with the new updates to the application, you have a number of different features, a number of different templates that you can use in PowerPoint to create numerous charts if you wish. We're going to be using PowerPoint to create a few charts, including our structure or navigational chart. We will also be using it to do a simple timeline. But for today, we're concentrating on a navigational or structural chart. So, what is a navigational or structural chart? Please drop what you think it is in the comment section for me so we can find out what a navigational or a structural chart is. When you think of a navigational or structural chart, what is it? Please drop it in the comment section for me. So, a navigational chart for me, and with numerous research, has shown that it's a visual a visual representation of how you would want something laid out, to see how it's linked or how it's connected together. Yes. Now, put a good comment in the comment section so we can get some other definition of what a structural chart is. So it's normally used in different fields. Yes. So when you look at a navigational chart, it will show you, for example, if you're using it for a website, or in our case, a digital portfolio. Yes. If we're using it for a digital portfolio, for those of you who don't know, is a compilation of your history. Yes. Well, for us, we're using it as a personal digital portfolio. So a personal digital portfolio can be used in a number of cases. A lot of employers, they do ask for a digital portfolio. If for example you've been studying, they ask you for a digital portfolio, or if you've worked in a particular field, namely the IT sector, they will ask you for a digital portfolio. A digital portfolio is a compilation of your history. So, for example, they'll ask you to add a personal statement to it, an application letter to it, a CV to it. They'll also ask you to maybe add an image so that they can know what you look like. They'll also ask you to to add your qualifications and experience. Also, your hobbies. A lot of people tend to put their hobbies on there, and it's nice to know that you have a hobby, because a hobby makes you look more rounded. Yes. So, all of that. How would you display this history on a digital portfolio? You will actually display it in a digital form. So you'll use technology to either use links to add to a particular application where you can access all of those different information or different data to the digital portfolio. And ways that you can create a digital portfolio: you can use PowerPoint. Yes, you can use Dropbox. You can use different application. You can use different website, like we might be using Wix to create a digital portfolio. So a digital portfolio is very handy. And hello, Viviana. Thank you. Please share me out and like. Um, so a digital portfolio will show you, um, will actually give the employer a sense of who you are, and they will use it to make their decision as to whether or not they want to employ you. So a digital portfolio can be, hello, Joyous Joy. Sorry, I didn't see you, and thank you for coming. Please share me out and like if you can. Share me out and like if you can. Yes, so digital portfolio. So in creating our digital portfolio, what we will be doing is that we'll be creating a structural chart, and that's what I will be doing for you today. On here, we'll be creating a structural chart. So, guys, I need you to put what you think a structural chart is. Give me a definition in the comment section. Yes, not my definition, your definition in your own words, so I know that you understand what a structural chart is. In the meantime, because I do not want this to be too long of a, I don't want the presentation to be too long, sorry. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Hopefully I won't share anything that I don't want to share. I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be showing you. Please let me know, am I lagging? I'd love to know if I'm showing properly. Give me a minute. Just want to know. Okay, so I have 12 people watching. Oh, thank you, African New TV. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Very, thank you so much. I've not had a sticker in a while. Thank you so much for that sticker. Thank you so much. I don't know how I put that up, but let's see. How do I put that up? Let me put it up. Oh, I can't. What did I do? No, I can't. Thank you, African New TV. Shout out to African New TV for that sticker. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so I got a definition of a structural chart from Official Gaming. It says a structural chart is a chart that shows the breakdown of a system to the lower levels of its manageable levels. Okay, yes. So there are different structural charts, which I love that you point that out for me. You have charts that can show a hierarchy, yes, meaning what is going from top to bottom. Yes, so how high it goes. So you have different levels, so it will show in that hierarchy. So if you use a structural chart, you can show it from who's the head, so who's the big cheese, yes, from the top to the bottom. So like, for example, if it's an organizational structural chart, yeah, or an organizational chart, it will show who's at top, who's the top honcho, the big cheese. So who's the CEO at the top, straight down to the bottom. So the cleaners. So it will show like the CEO, the executive, the different the section managers, the section supervisors, the staff that works under the departmental managers, and so forth, right down to the last person. And that's how a organizational chart would feature. Guys, am I lagging? Because I have been lagging on here, so I haven't been using it that much. Can you please tell me if I'm lagging or not? Oh, okay. Okay, so it doesn't seem as if I'm lagging, which is a good thing. I am going to show you quickly how to officially. I've seen a structure chart in a game about a mob showing who was like the Don of the mob and then the different ranks underneath him. Yes, yes, yes. A structural chart does not have to only be about a organization, a business itself. It can be about a game. So this is what I'm trying to point out to everyone. A structural chart can help you with a visual image of how you want a particular idea to be laid out. Yes, so that's a great idea, Official Gaming. Thank you for that great point. So it will give you a visual representation of how you want a particular idea to be laid out from start to finish. So it can be used in various sectors, and it can be used as a personal tool as well, especially if you're someone who is very stringent in how you plan something out. And this is very important. So for our structural chart, I am going to simply be using PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you the simple way of how I use PowerPoint to do so. So give me a minute. Okay, good. So I'm just going to share my screen, and then I'm going to quickly take you through how I sorry, how I will create my structural chart. Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yes, can you see my screen well? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Oh, African New TV is such a doll. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, you open up PowerPoint. And when you open up PowerPoint, you will see a number of different templates with different themes. Yes? What I did and what I want you to do is to just type in structure chart. Structure chart. And once you search that, it would be loading and it will show you a number of different templates you can use for your structural chart. Yes, so you have, as you can see on here, I hope you can see it well, is you can use a color coded one. You can use a this minimal organizational one here, and then you have the theme one, and then you have the different aspects you can use it in. You can use it in business, you can use just charts, or you can use, yeah, business, organization, or just charts. I chose to use the chart. Let's use the color coded one this time around. Last night when I did mine, I did not use a color coded one, but I think for this aspect, I will be using a color coded one. I'm going to click on create. So it's just loading up. Once it's creating, you can see it looks gorgeous already and everything is all laid out for you. What I want you to do is to just fill in these different sections. Now, because I'm a teacher and I want to show how you can use this in school, you can also use it in your personal life, as I've explained. You can use it for the particular unit that we are working on, or you can use it for your game, as official gaming has said, or you can use it to just organize your business or your website. You can use it to show how a website is laid out. Guys, I'm not seeing any definition. Please give me a definition of what a structural chart is. I got one from official gaming already. So when you look at it, and please like up the stream, guys. Please like the stream. I have 16 people watching and I only have 10 likes. I should have at least 16 likes on here. One minute. Oh. So I hope that you are following. If you're not following, when we're done, I will take you through how we can do this. Yes? So the first thing I am going to do, I'm going to click on that. It says president, but I don't want president, so I'm deleting that. And because I'm setting it up how I want it, I am just going to, I'm going to cover that president. I don't really want that president there. You can delete that as well, but I like the color of it, so I'm keeping the color. Yeah, and then what I'm going to write on there is home. You can either write home, so if you're doing it for your website, you can write home on there, or you can put introduction. It's up to you, and you can have an image on it if you wish. Yeah, I'm gonna put home on there, and because we're using it for a digital or personal chart, yes, we're using it to say, oh, we're preparing for the job market out there, and or I have an interview and they've requested a structural chart of my digital portfolio. That's what we're doing now. So I'm going to type home there, and after I type home, I'm going to do the same there. I'm deleting this though because I really don't like the president thing. Oh, I'm undoing that. Sorry, because I just want the So you just have to be careful to click into the box because you can see several times that it deleted for me. So in this box, I am going to write profile, yes? And only because in this bit, when they click on it in my digital portfolio, I will have certain things like my hobbies, what my application letter, so much and so forth. So personal things that is directly about me. That's what I will be doing. Okay. We will delete the executive part of it in a minute. Yeah. So and then on this one, I am just going to write the first unit that we will be doing, and it be unit 1. And then you will put the other one on here, unit 1. This one, then we'll do unit 2 on here. And on here, so you get where I'm coming from, yes? And on here, we'll be doing unit 3 on here. We will doing unit 13 on here. I will be doing unit 14. And this one, unit 25. Okay, so can you see how it's laid out like that? Under my unit 25, I am just going to write personal statement on there. Yes, and under my Unit 13, because you know that one is website development. I am just going to put website. Yes? These ones we can delete. Actually, on this one, I'm going to put digital portfolio under this one. Yes? And then these ones we're deleting. And I don't want math. And then I'm going to try to delete these other little ones under here. Okay, so it does take a while. So what I will be doing is I'll just be deleting it because I did want the colors under it. I'll do the same for these ones. It's so tiny. I'm going to pull it out so that it's bigger so I can click in it. Because I'm doing it on here, it's a bit hard to see, but that's fine. As you can see, as long as you do it the way you want it shown. Yes. So I would say you can choose different charts as well. You can. It's a bit fidgety. Don't worry. It's all in the learning curve. Yeah. And then you do the same for the rest. Are you following, guys? Can you let me know in the comment section if you're following? Can you let me know in the comment section? Thank you, Jessie. Thank you so much for being here, Jessie. Guys, please share me out. This is very interesting. So we're just getting rid of these different sections. I'm just looking at the comments. Jessie, thank you so much. Viviana, African TV. Zeph, yeah, yes. People saying yes. So tell me, PowerPoint isn't searching. That's okay. We will go and we will create it from scratch in the next session. Yes. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to create your navigational or structural chart. You can have the color on it or you can delete the colors. It's up to you. I think the colors are pretty. So I'm just trying to keep my colors. But it's a bit fidgety because my screen is small, but that's fine. I'm not bothered. I just want you to have a feel of how this can be done. So you can either create it from scratch. I'm doing this numerous times, so for those of you who might feel that it's not doable, it is. It's just that the boxes, the text boxes are a bit tiny, and if they're tiny, sometimes you have to concentrate really hard on clicking into that text box. So I'm just opening up the text boxes a bit, and then I will be deleting what's underneath. Yeah. So it will be more of a, I don't need a box on there. The green can represent that one on there. And this one, I don't think I need a box underneath that one because that one will be representing it. Yes. Cool. And this one as well, we're deleting it. Cool. So that color code goes with that, and that color code goes with this one here. So very, very easy. Can you see? It's very easy and it's laid out quite nicely. You can fix your boxes if you wish to make them similar to what you want, what you envisioned in your heads. Yes, so you can do, and also if you go to design, you can change the color coding in design here. Yes, or you can change, I prefer the plain one like so. And you can see the color coding there. So it's very, you can use the key there for your color coding, which is really good. I'm just gonna show it bigger so that you can actually see what I am, what I've just done. And voila, so easy. So you have a great representation and you have this video for reference if you need to create your structural chart from beginning to end. And these are the different sections we will be covering. So you have it all there. That's okay. If you're behind, you will get enough time to do so. So if you have a look at the structural chart, I love it. It's a very nice one and it's very pretty, very colorful. And you can see the different units, the ones in purple, you can color code it. So you can literally change it to what color you want. You don't have to stick to these colors. But this is the organizational chart, but we are using it for a structure. It's an organizational slash structural chart, but I've changed it. So I'm just going to stop sharing a bit. Yes, and I'm just going to change. I'm just going to change the name here to structural chart so that people don't get it confused because that's what we're using it for. Or let's do navigational because we will be using it for our website. Yes, or digital portfolio, but the website digital portfolio. So that's what I wanted there. And let's just give that a bold look. Yes, yes. I really don't like that tiny writing. Let's just do a fun writing. Yeah, that's fine. Love that. And that's your navigational chart. And I am loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. So as we have done, you can create this using templates from PowerPoint. And that's what I have done. So and you can see the different units. If you have different branches, you can add different branches to it. And as I said, this can be used um, as a preparation or a design tool for your website or a design tool for different units for your coursework, or if you have different tasks, you can actually use it as a hierarchy, as in what tasks are more important to what task can be done at a later time. Or you can put it in time, put your dates and time in each task so that you know when these need to be completed by and when. Yes? I will stop sharing now. You can always go back and watch the video. I want to end it on 30 minutes because I know if hello G Stone. Hey, my boy G Stone is in the house. Thank you so much, G Stone, for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm gonna end it and then we're gonna go create it. For personal use, we can use it for personal use, and a lot of if you're in the UK, a number of employers have actually and will request a digital portfolio. So this can be added to your digital portfolio as a structural chart of how your digital portfolio is actually laid out. So the employer will see that, oh, this is how this is laid out. This is well laid out. This is well thought out. Oh, this is very structured. And they will understand that from a different from that perspective, that you are able to do this, you're able to work on your own initiative to show to work or to complete a particular task without being asked. Yes, so structural chart, drop right in the box in the comment section now if you understand what a structural chart is, and just drop a particular word that you think will actually show me that you understand what a structural chart is. Yes, so I'm looking and I'm waiting. Waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I've got a new video coming out soon, miss. Awesome. Send me the link. I will watch. I will watch it. So structural chart, guys, let's do this and let's complete this for our digital portfolio. I will be showing you how we can do the digital portfolio. Thank you for understanding. Official gaming, well done, well done, well done, well done. Guys, I am gonna end it and then I'm gonna start up the next section of or technology and learning. When you come here, I will be teaching you how to live a healthy lifestyle, also how to use technology in your everyday life for everyday use and also for college. This is what my channel is about. And I hope that you come back and you come back for more. Please like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Ta-ta for now. Remember, you're allowed to mess it up. Just don't give up. Thank you so much, guys.